Well, good Friday morning, everyone. I'm Jim Scott with Jim Scott's Weather Desk. If you're happen to be new watching my videos, and we just never know about what the month of May bring us. Rain, snow, high temperatures, and low temperatures. Every day seems to be a change, but I can always guarantee my cup of coffee is made fresh every morning. All right, so today is May the 8th. And we're starting off this Friday on a mild and fairly quiet note. Skies will be partly sunny through much of the day, and temperatures will climb to around 65 degrees by this afternoon. Now, most of the daylight hours should be manageable, but we'll need to watch a few showers develop later today, mainly after 4 p.m. This doesn't look like a big rain event during the day, with only 30% chance of rain. Very light rainfall amounts expected, generally less than 1/10 of an inch. Now, winds will be out of the southwest at 5 to 11 miles per hour, with a few gusts up to 21 miles per hour. So you may notice a little bit of a breeze at times. Heading into Friday night, rain chances really increase. Showers become likely, and we could even hear a rumble of thunder before 2 a.m. No major severe weather signal here, just it could be a wet evening and overnight plans. Rainfall amounts tonight could run between 1/4 and 1/2 inch, so roads may be damp overnight and early going into Saturday morning. A low Friday night will be around 51 degrees with a southwest wind around 6 miles per hour. And for your Saturday, we may start off with a leftover shower early, mainly before 7 a.m. But after that, the day improves. Skies will be cloudy for the start of the day, but skies could gradually become sunnier as we go through the day. Saturday also turns warmer. We're looking at a high of 72 degrees. Winds on Saturday will shift out of the west at 6 to 13 miles per hour, gusting up to 23 miles per hour. And then Saturday night looks partly cloudy with just a slight chance of a shower. Low Saturday night will be around 51 degrees. Then moving into Sunday, another shower chance returns. It'll be partly sunny, but a bit cooler with a high near 64 degrees and a 40% chance of showers. Sunday night looks quieter and cooler with partly cloudy skies and a low of 42. So to sum it up, partly sunny and mild today. Showers arrive late. Rain likely tonight with a possible rumble of thunder. Improving and warmer Saturday. Then another shower chance on Sunday. I'm Jim Scott with Jim Scott's Weather Desk. Have a great Friday and stay weather aware.